Hey guys, I want to show y'all something. If you're getting a whole lot of phone calls from all kinds of weirdos, do you want to buy insurance? Your car warranty's going out. Man, you get them all. I mean, you get them from buying health insurance of different kinds. Your car warranty's about to go out. It's the one that makes me crazy. They just call you up. A lot of these automated robocalls. Well, if you're wondering, man, why do I get these? My number's private. I ain't giving it to nobody. Yes, you are. You are giving it to everybody. So if you have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Gmail, Yahoo, if you use the internet and you have an Android device or an Apple device, what you end up doing is you end up giving every number in your contacts, every one of them, to every app you install. You also give it to their little stalker network with Facebook especially. And what they do, all of them, they sell your contact list. So your contact list is being purchased by these telemarketers. And you really don't know who the hell they are, and you really can't block them because they call from a lot of the internet numbers. So what you've got to do, if you want to stop it, is go in there to all your contacts, and you're going to change the names to something that you'll remember who that person is. So like this here, Action John Trailer Shop, well, that is the number to my phone here in the shop. It's a straight talk home phone, but it goes to my shop. And until I changed this to what it is now, man, I was getting, 10 calls a week. I told them, they say, hey, you need your car warranty redone. And I'm like, okay, when they say, what do you got? And then I really pull it out the hat for them. So he'll say, what's your vehicle? And I'll say, oh, it's a 1985 Peterbilt, and it's got a air ride suspension, and it don't take long, they hang up on you. But right after that, they'll call you back. So what are you driving? What car are you wanting a warranty on? And I come off with the same stuff. I got a 73 Ford pickup with a 300 straight six in it, and it's all hopped up with nitrous oxide. Hell, I even had one of them go, what are you, some kind of hillbilly cracker? And hung up on me. So I'm okay, all right, well, there's something working, but what ain't working is they're getting my number. So I decided to go through my phone, because Facebook, Twitter, all these, they'll go look right into your phone, and they'll take your numbers and they'll update them constantly. Some of them every couple of days, they'll pull it out of your phone because you approved an app, or you gave them your number to verify your account and you didn't read the dirty little secrets they got. So they're constantly pulling them. So all you got to do is go in there and you're going to change. Like this one right here, ABC Torritos, that's a friend of mine. And this one here's a friend of mine, and this one here's a friend of mine, and this one here's a installer, a co-installer for wind turbines. This one here, Home Center Sales, that's my house phone number. And once I did this, and I changed all of my numbers, now there's lots of them, I've got about 75 in this phone, but just showing you these. Once I did this, it quit. I haven't got a call since from any of them. Not bothering me. They'll call you almost like clockwork. Every day, 9 o'clock this one calls, 10 o'clock this one calls, 2 o'clock this one calls. And it's harassment. And Facebook, Google, Twitter, Instagram, they're all doing it. They're all doing it. And one of the things they're also doing is they sell your information to the news media. They sell your information to the newspapers. They sell your information to the Procter & Gamble, to everybody. They sell your contacts. That is the backdoor secret to getting ads and things like that. And they'll text ads to your friends. Your mother gets an ad. Why? Don't know why. Well, because they got her contact off your phone. So instead of having mom on there, you should have something like Mama's Cafe. They'll never call them again. Because businesses can do something about being harassed. People can't. And they're not supposed to call businesses. And if they do, it's rare. Just want to show y'all that. And there, for some of you people who like that little thing, that was kind of cool. I did that because when they attacked those poor Catholic kids, and like I said in the previous video, it incensed me. Because the news media is so fucking dishonest. They're so full of crap that they've made this whole country severe right, severe left, and they've turned the whole country against each other. And why did they do it? Well, it's why I'm talking about this stuff right here. It's clicks, it's adware, it's ad revenue. People don't watch the big 3 TV stations anymore and watch the commercials like they used to. So this is how they do it now. So the news media is hating on people. They're creating hate. They're creating division, because if you have two extremes, the best way to get someone to click on something is to make them angry. So you make the lefties angry, they click on it. You make the righties angry, they click on it. Now, I'm a libertarian. I believe that everybody ought to just stay the fuck out of my business. And I'm not into all that crap, but I made this nice cup. I put a link down below the video to this cool cup. And there's other stuff like phone covers and things like that. I figured that was kind of nice that you could do so that the world can see my coined word, mainstream media. It's not mainstream media, folks. It's the mainstream media. Because even the most hardcore leftist, Antifa people, they're making money off those people because they're pumping shit out there. And the same way with the extreme right, they're making people go out and march and because they're pumping shit out there. You know, they got everything from Antifa to the deplorables. This is our world. The media. Would you believe there's over 6,000 media outlets in America now? Go look in your Yahoo page. It's just full of crap. It's just crap. And that's something, it's all clickbait. Corporations are just garbage. They're stealing your phone numbers. Yeah, they trick you into signing the little thing or checking the box. You're getting harassed. That's my way of saying to stop it. And I'm suggesting you do. Because when you stop them from harassing you, you cut their money. When you cut their money, you hurt them like they need to be hurt. So, all right, guys, that's my rant for the day. Kind of a piss poor one for some people, and I'm sure some people will be all mad. But don't go get pissy. That's for everybody. And they're making everybody hate everybody. But if you're already a natural hater and you're just hating somebody because they have an American flag, or you're hating somebody because they wear a fucking red cap, or you're hating somebody because he's white, or you're hating somebody because he's black, or you're hating somebody because he's a Hispanic or whatever, you know what? You get the fuck off my channel. I don't like you either.